Yeah, and we definitely have the extreme as well. Extreme cold and the chance of freezing rain. A very low chance for a little bit of very tiny ice pellets or maybe some snow needles trying to mix in on the backside. But in your weather impact alert, here's what you need to know. We've got a freeze warning today, winter storm warning tomorrow, and extreme wind chills, very extreme wind chills in place for tomorrow morning as well. So you need the winter gear. All the layers you have, put them on. Then you're also going to need rain gear. And if you do try to get on the roads on Tuesday morning, it will be hazardous, especially on bridges and overpasses. Right now, this is the calm before the storm. We're starting to see the cloud coverage move in. A little bit of drizzle or pockets of kind of some mist or fog may set up late this morning. Temperature right now in Corpus Christi above freezing, but we are down to 29 degrees in Beeville, 30 in Freer. And so this is just a sign of what's to come. We are still tracking an area of low pressure to our south, but this high pressure really keeping us cold on the backside of the cold front that moved through on Sunday, continuing to bring in that northern air all around the central U.S. You can see this is cold weather advisories for extremely cold temperatures, not only for us, that's the blue color, but also well to the north. Look at it, 1 degree right now in Indianapolis, Des Moines, Iowa, down below zero, as well as through Minneapolis and Minot, North Dakota. So extreme cold, but the pink, that is our winter storm warning for our freezing precipitation. But we also have the freezing temperatures to talk about. We may briefly hit freezing before this morning is all said and done in Corpus Christi, but we are there for our northern inland locations, right? As we head into Tuesday, more of us do have a chance to be below freezing, and that's going to come with the freezing rain. Wednesday is our hard freeze, even the islands getting 3 to 5 hours at or below 32 degrees. The hard freeze more so for Corpus Christi, our northern and southern inland locations. Wind chill, very dangerous, both tomorrow and even into Wednesday because our air temperature will be so low. But I want to point out we're near freezing Tuesday morning, but that wind chill in the teens, very dangerous. Our low temperature Wednesday morning, very dangerous as well if you are not prepared to be out in those conditions. But it's the wind that really ramps up. Also, tonight, you'll see the wind gust 40 to 50 miles per hour. So this is starting at around 10 p.m. We get up to 36 miles per hour. That northeast wind ramps up as you were hopefully sleeping around midnight, and that will continue into tomorrow morning. Wow, we are getting the freezing rain and the freezing precipitation. So wind causing issues out at sea. Extremely cold air conditions, but water will be rough. Water temperatures falling with the cold front as well. But we do have a gale warning that is in place from midnight through 6 p.m. on Tuesday. Then we have the cold weather advisory for those extreme wind chills, not only today, but Tuesday and Wednesday also. Hourly temperatures and wind chill, you can see even tomorrow with that freezing rain in play, it is going to feel like it's in the teens. Being outdoors will be miserable. If you do try to drive and get in an accident or have to stop for some reason, the cold weather will be miserable. Impacts, very cold. Temperatures can bust pipes. Yeah, a hard freeze. So protect your pipes if you haven't already, because the hard freeze is still to come by Wednesday morning. We do want to break down when the freezing rain gets here, right? That is probably the most important part of the forecast. So you'll see we start out as just rain. The transition to freezing rain only happens when temperatures fall below freezing, and that's going to time out right during the morning commute. So while it might start as rain, when you wake up at 5 a.m., by 7 a.m., I am anticipating widespread pockets of freezing rain leading to dangerous conditions out there. Here's a look at the winter storm warning that is in place. Everyone is under that. We'll talk about those ice accumulation numbers coming up during the next hour. But extreme cold today, tomorrow, Wednesday, freezing rain Tuesday morning. Then we don't have much to talk about after that. It warms up into Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Barb, John Thomas.
Thank you, Carly. We appreciate it.